All right. Hey, what's up, guys? It's been a long time. Man. I'm back in Iceland. I haven't been able to film a lot because I just want to take a little bit of time off. And yeah, it's been a journey, man. It's been a journey. And I'm just getting back into it right now. Like the weekly lessons and all that. So I'm just going to get back into that. But I don't even know what to talk to you guys about. But I think it's what is good to talk about, especially now, is like when you're traveling and when you come home. Because people tend to. So when you're traveling a lot, like me, like I do, like always when you come home or you meet your like old friends and your parents or like whatever it is, your brothers and sisters or whatever, it's like you have grown so much. You have grown so much when you travel like this, like I do. I have grown so much. But every time I come to Iceland, back home, like people don't know what I go through. Like people don't know what has happened to me in those times when I do travel, because nothing ever changes in your hometown. Everything stays the same because we're in the simulation, we're in the system, and people are just stuck in their ways. I truly mean that, and like this is actually a problem, because people tend to just like normal people just know normal people things. Like venjulegt fólk þekkir bara venjulega hluti. It means normal people only know normal things. So, like, it just sucks, man. It just sucks, man. Like coming home and just, I don't know. Always when I come home, I just feel like a shell of my former self. Like I feel lonely, like nobody really understands what's going on. And it's because of this. It's because of I have changed. That's it. So I'm picking back up my YouTube channel now, just for fun though, And I'm just gonna document a little bit, trying to show you guys a little bit more about what I do. And like when I start traveling again, like then of course we will see some amazing videos. But so far so good. So just a short message for you guys today. So Merry Christmas and hope you guys have a lovely holiday.